Protecting survey monuments for construction projects. Society relies on a strong property rights system to ensure ownership, financing, infrastructure, and governance. Property boundaries exist in land registration and GIS databases. Boundaries on the ground are important for safe and cost-effective construction and for avoiding disputes. Property monuments are set by land surveyors to mark existing and new boundaries, and also to describe the extent of easements. According to law, a property monument in its original position is the best evidence of a boundary. Theoretical coordinates on a GIS or on a GPS receiver do not override the property monument on the ground. Geodetic coordinates and GIS provide powerful tools for planning and managing construction projects. A geodetic coordinate system takes into account the shape of the Earth and provides for the use of global navigation satellite systems, such as GPS. Defining parameters include reference datum, units, and map projections. Control monuments have known geodetic coordinates, horizontal control for location, and vertical control known as benchmarks for elevation. Control monuments both connect digital as-built and design information with the ground and provide quality assurance for the GPS equipment used in layout and machine navigation. Property monuments and control monuments provide the survey infrastructure indispensable to safe and cost-effective construction projects. Stable, long-term property and control monuments physically connect ownership, easements, as-built data, and construction design to the ground. Why protect and preserve survey infrastructure? They exist for safety reasons, so that electrical and gas lines are in the correct location to avoid serious personal and property damage. They are a form of cost-effective, clear communication, which requires a consistent geodetic coordinate system pinned to the ground with survey infrastructure. They provide the correct layout of baselines and elevations, and also they minimize the risk of disputes. What's in place to protect and preserve survey infrastructure? It is a criminal code offense to remove a property monument. There are laws that govern land surveyors when they set property monuments. Standards include inventory of property monuments, installation of visible markers, and the replacement of missing property monuments. There are best practices that promote common utility corridors that avoid disturbing property monuments in new design and during excavation. What more can be done? Contracting authorities are encouraged to include standards and best practices in their contracts, and public awareness should increase through education.